So we're all about making overseas engineers feel like a genuine part of your business. They're not contractors, they're not freelancers, they're your team, just via Cloud Employee. Before onboarding, your US Client Success Manager builds a How to Work With You guide. It's all about your core values, your mission, and even the habits, behaviors that define what great looks like for you. It means that before starting, your engineers are truly clear on what you are all about and feel like they are genuinely part of your business and mission. They get your company email, they're in your Slack, your stand-ups, working your time zone and reporting directly to you full-time exclusively. So you direct the work and we handle the rest. Employment contracts, private healthcare, pensions, HR, compliance, office space, even learning and development, community and employee events. Zero hassle for you. You can focus on growing your business. And the result? Engineers that feel truly in-house, driving your mission forward, fully integrated, without the overhead or hassle.